Thank you for checking out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. In this segment, we're going to show you how to dilute the 50-to-1 glass cleaner properly. Now, would you rather take what we've been doing for years, when all we're trying to do is get a ready-to-use 32-ounce bottle of product? Or is it going to be a lot easier for you to take one of these NANO Pails and just fill the bottle up with water, give it one pump, and you're ready to go? We're going to go ahead and show you how to do that, how to break it down, plus all the benefits of a nano product and the nano systems. Check it out.
Today we're going to show you with our nano system that you don't have to mix a whole boatload of chemicals to get the 32-ounce bottles that you need to clean the windows in your detailing business. You can mix just a little bit of chemical with some water in your 32-ounce bottle and have what you need to get the work done cleaning the windows and the mirrors and the chrome. You can mix all your chemical and water at one time if you want, or you can simplify things quite a bit with our nano system.
Or we filled it up with just over 30 ounces of water here. So just the bottom of the neck to make this nice and easy. And pay attention, this is the hard part. And wham, one pump. And that's it. And you're ready for work. With our nano or our super chemicals is we made it really super duper easy to be able to break down our product. So we've taken and we've designed these cute little pails. That's the easiest way to get your streak-free finish. Bam! For the best bang in your butt! Thank you for taking the time and checking out 3D Products. And we want you to like us on Facebook and follow us. Go ahead and feel free to share us. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. That way you can keep up to date with all 3D's latest and greatest car care products.